Since established in 2006 in Hong Kong, Best Technology is located in manufacturing core area of Pearl River Delta, providing one-stop service including PCB design, PCB manufacturing, components purchasing, PCB assembly, functional testing, and box building. For nearly 20 years, Best Technology have always been committed to providing overseas customers high-mixed, low-volume products with reliable quality and quick delivery, and are determined to become one of most trusted partners in the field of printed circuit boards and PCBA. The pursuit of quality and innovation is the driving force of Best Technology. With the strong R&D team, we have obtained many patents and are a national high-tech enterprise and a specialized advanced and new enterprise in Shenzhen. Engineers with more than 20 years of experience, Best Technology is able to provide all-round technical support before and after sales, to reply customer within 12 hours and ship out goods always on time. Not only provide top quality requirements of products and service for the market, but also meet customers' special customized requests. We constantly exchange, cooperate, and share new technology achievements with people in the same industry, and bring innovative products and service continually. In order to provide faster and better service to customer, Best Technology already set up companies in Vietnam, US, and more will coming in Europe, the Middle East, and Africa. ISO quality standard was applied to each step from PCB design, DFM, purchasing, production, box building, inspection, to packing. Best Technology has now passed a series of quality management system certifications, including ISO 9001, ISO 13485, IATF 16949, AS9100. By means of the latest technology and high-tech production equipment, we continuously improve production process, test, and measurement technology, and optimize the quality management system. Our goal is to provide customers defect-free products fully consistent with its requirements. Relying on advanced ERP and MES systems, we can quickly arrange production, track production status in real time, and ensure that every product is traceable and having top excellent quality. We also taking care of our employees and got ISO 45001. We only have one Earth. All of products in Best Technology are compliant with latest RoHS. In our flexible circuit and rigid flex workshop, we have LDI exposure machines, VCP plating lines, and using AOI to check each piece circuit strictly following up IPC standard. We focus on special complicated flexible circuit board, such as 10-ounce, 5mm PI base material, 10 meters extra long, 300,000 life cycle testing, 50 layers rigid flex with impedance control. We have our own laminators in FR4 workshop, precision CNC and laser drill machines, full automatically universal electric tester, and flying probe testers. All products are compliant to UL. Production line 1. Focus on quick turn prototype, small volume and special board, such as 50-ounce heavy copper, busbar, 0.15 millimeters extra thin PCB, IC substrate, semi-flex, 4 steps HDI, high frequency, high-speed, hybrid RF PCB. Production line 2 have auto copper etching and plating lines, and its monthly capability can reach up to 1 million square feet. There are computer control auto routing and V-cutting machines in our metal core PCB facility, and we focused on high thermal conductivity board, up to 10 watts per meter Kelvin with heavy copper, up to 10 ounces. Zinc pad copper core bendable NC PCB, 0.3 millimeters extra thin, as well as other LED MC PCB. With 30 years of history in the ceramic PCB, we can provide different technical solutions for industries such as aerospace, automobile, communication, laser, radar, semiconductor, power supply, lighting. We can produce ceramic PCB with different technologies, such as thick film, thin film, DPC, DBC, AMB, HTCC, and LTCC. At the same time, we can also provide one-stop services such as ceramic PCB assembly, wire bonding, metal house packaging. Our electronics components directly come from the top 20 biggest authorized distributors and agents. Make sure each piece is original and genuine. Quality and cosmetical looking of components will be checked strictly in our internal labs to make sure each piece is in good condition. Effective in-house ERP and MES establishes a fast and comprehensive warehouse management system. With high-tech manufacturing equipment, outstanding manual techniques, and 20 years experience in PCBA technology, customers' various requirements such as big VGA, small component, 01005, or 1.2 meter extra big board can be meeting here and best. Here, IC can be programmed and tested. UV or conformal coating can be provided too. We can make and deliver the products in our China and Vietnam PCBA factories with full range of measurement equipment such as SPI, 3D AOI, X-ray inspection machine, PCBA flying probe, XGTAG, ICT testing. Best make sure each piece of final PCBA products meet customers' requirements. Facing with market requirements, we always devote every effort to respond quickly, to manufacture efficiently, and to provide high-quality products continually. Best Technology will be your most reliable partner in PCB and PCBA industry.